Hello, in front of me I've got Honor 20E. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Pay app. In the beginning let's enter Google Pay. Tap Get Started. And now we'll probably have to reset the app because the interface changed according to latest update. So let's open it again. And as you can see, this is the new HUD of the Google Pay. From here you can add payment method and different types of cards. From this menu you can manage all your payment methods, check all participating banks, and your full activity. Then, in settings we can enable or disable email updates, Gmail imports, personalization within Google Pay, purchase notifications, updates about your passes, offers and tips, and we can edit our account info. Then, we've got contactless setup, where you can set payment method, check if NFC is on, if Google Pay is set as your default, if you've set a lock screen, and if your phone meets security requirements. Then we've got help and support, send feedback but let's skip it, and access to our Google account. And that's it for Google Pay. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.